it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. It is so good to be filming again. I am really trying to get on a schedule for you guys. This summer has been really busy, really crazy. You know, I've got some other projects that I'm working on, got stuff around the house. I've got a daughter going to college, so it's been a crazy summer. But I am prepping and preparing for fall and Halloween, and I'm going to be putting out content, so you will start to see me again, I promise. I'm coming on today with a haul for you. Actually, my next couple videos will be hauls as I just kind of prepare for the upcoming fall and Halloween season. I'm so excited to get crafting again. I'm in a couple swaps, so definitely getting back on track. My first haul here is from Scrapbookcom. I went on because I wanted this certain collection, which I'll show you in a second, but I saw a couple things that were on clearance there or on sale. And they were these felt garlands. And I am actually going to deconstruct these and use the felt balls in combination with some wood balls, wooden beads, and create some fall garland. So I'm going to mix the felt balls, the wood beads, and like some fabric tassels for some fall garland. So I'm just going to kind of pick and choose the colors. Then there's some in here I can save for Christmas as well, you know, maybe going into Valentine's Day. So I just got one of each that they had. These are called, if you're looking for them, let's take one out. So they're not huge. So this is called a summer felt banner in these colors. This one is called a Valentine's felt ball banner, and this one is spring felt ball banner. And it doesn't say how long it is. It's just over 2 feet. So, I don't know, you get enough balls on there to, like I said, just mix and match with something else. So anyway, grabbed those. My receipt is in here, so if I can get the price, I will. So the whole reason I went on to Scrapbook.com was to pick up this Hello Autumn collection from Cartabella. So super cute, very farmhouse, but very much the soft fall colors that I love. And I actually got it for this right here. There's whole paper with these like chalkboard type signs on there that you can cut apart and use. And I'm gonna be creating some gratitude journals, kind of. So, all right, let me get this organized here a second. So I watched Liz, I don't know how to pronounce her last name, but I'm gonna link her down below. She bought these half composition books from Walmart. These are walmart.com. There's 10 of them in a pack. And she made gratitude journals, and they turned out so cute, and she actually used this collection. So I am really using her project as inspiration. So they're pretty thick, actually. There's 100 sheets in there. It's wide ruled. She broke it out into 3 different sections. She had, I think, tabs on the side here that she tabbed out, and then she had 3 different types of clips or clothespins or paper clips or something on the top. That was fun. And then in each section, she kind of made a section header page. So I was thinking of doing the gratitude journal. I might make a couple like fall bucket list-ish type, and then include like a printable fall bucket list or something with them. So I'm thinking of doing something like that, but I'll definitely take you guys along and show you what I come up with, but I'll link her channel down below for sure so you can see what she did and where my inspiration's coming from. But she did use this Hello Autumn collection. I'm just gonna open it to go through the pictures or the papers with you. It's so pretty. All right, so this is the sticker sheet here. Just got some banners and frames. It actually kind of has like a watercolor look. If you look real up close to like this pumpkin right here, it looks like it's on watercolor paper with watercolor paint. So that's kind of the look, and like the florals right here in the corner look watercolor. So, and the paper is this, it's the perfect thick Cartabella paper. So it's got the texture on it, almost like a basil. So there's this one. That one, the scenery. I love this. This is just soft, and these are like my fall colors right there with the, like those three right there. Just love. Here's some cute cut aparts. I'm kind of over this saying, like, this is just overused so much, so I know I'm not going to use that. But the rest are super cute. It's a pretty orange. Love this. This is super pretty too. Look how pretty it is with that plaid. More leaves. The black and white. So this one. So this is, you know, so easy to cut apart and use these. You know, you could even fussy cut around the florals in the corner here. They're so cute. Yeah, I love this page. Then you have this, just the kind of handwritten words. Some more cut aparts here. Cute little acorns. Those are so adorable. Look at that. And then the back is some baskets, like fruit baskets. Love this too, that sagey kind of green. Got a little fuzz on there. That is just so pretty. Just a really subtle background there. And then a very busy design on the back. Then we've got pies. Some more leaves. The acorns are just so cute. And you know what? Oh my gosh, now I have to grab those. How fun would it be to take these acorns from Dollar Tree? I'm gonna do this and make them look like this. So look at like the polka dots with the orange top. I'm totally gonna do that. And then there's some striped ones. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like a polka dot pattern, like a little scallop, a little stripe. I'm totally gonna try and recreate those with this. And my thought with these is to make little charms with it. I'm gonna try and drill a tiny little hole in the top and then put a little eye pin through it and make those into charms. This is so cool. This is just so neat how it's the like gradation of color there. It's so pretty. And then more cut aparts. Super cute. Just the fonts are really cute, and like even this like watercolor looking here. It's really like that. It's a neutral, really pretty floral there. Okay, and then I did get some single sheets. So I got some more of that. Some more of the acorns. I've got two or three of the pumpkins. That on the back. And then this one, I don't think this one was in the collection. That's a different plaid right there. So I did get all of those. Then I also just took this little ephemera pack. Looks like a lot of like word phrases, little tags. I won't go through all of them, but yeah, a lot of words, pictures. So I'll be able to use those in the journals as well. The freebie for the day was this die. It just says thanks on it. It's cute. It's like a nice script. So it just says thanks. I did pick up this Lawn Fawn die. It is, I wish it showed it on the back. So it is, I'm going to try and read these backwards. Fall, thanks, autumn, there's some leaves here. What does that one say? Grateful, gratitude. Okay, so I'll have to cut those out so I know what they look like, but again, it's just like a scripty font. And then I also got this Bigs die because I wanted to use this to make some of the paper clips for the gratitude journals. So it is like a felt cutting one. It's, you know, nice, thick one for your cutting machine. So that is it. Oh, I have one more paper here. I was kind of stuck underneath it. Okay, I'm looking at my receipt and it didn't list the prices out, so I'm not able to tell you how much the garlands were, but they were on sale. So anyway, that is it, guys. I can't wait to start. Oh, one more thing before I go. I pulled a couple things out to show you what I was going to do with the journals as well. So I picked these up at Hobby Lobby. Fall is 49% off, so I got these. It says Harvest, Pumpkins, and Fall, and I thought they would go on a little like charm off to the side, so I think I'll create something that kind of dangles down it. And then I picked up some coordinating trims to make maybe a paper clip with ribbons and stuff coming off of it. So I got those that I wanted to show you as well. So definitely I'll show you guys what I end up making with all of this. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.